Uh, Time is about 9 p.m. and I'm done for the day. Say today, regular, same boring, routine day. Woke up by 4 a.m. Binge watch. I think today, this morning, I started to just binge watch content, and know how to like become this digital polymath, because I feel like that's where my nature lies. That is compressing knowledge I have gotten from the books into like long form content, podcast or something. But then again, I know that my path to wealth is most likely as a startup founder. While this whole synthesizing of a thing is going to be as a second nature, so it's not going to be a thing where I'm hoping to grow. So it's a thing that I'm hoping to just give out as much value as possible, just like to express myself. So I plan to take a different route towards YouTube, say from next week, where I'm going to separate my YouTube channels. One is for my journey, the other one is for like my synthesizing, where I just explain things that I have learned, concepts in my head, epiphanies and whatnot. Then today I was also looking at a video by Andrew Kirby talking about why we should start a school community. I said to myself, now I'm not sure if this is a limiting belief, but I'm trying to like focus on my startup as my number one thing. Every other thing is secondary. So trying to start a school community, would it give me money? Yes, we did. But I'm not entirely sure if the limiting belief is that it will take a lot from me. I don't know how long it's going to take. I don't know how much it's going to take. But let me see. Like I said, I want to go out there and synthesize content for the sake of synthesizing sake. Hopefully down the line, I may create offers, but the key thing there is like just share what I know, share what I learn. And why is that? That is like it's going to force me to want to learn. It's going to force me to want to do things with what I learn and actually come and like speak about it. So it's not about consuming and coming to give out. No, it's about most likely having to like study, practice, preach. That's what I want to basically be doing every single day, and also documenting. So I'm separating my two YouTube channels. One is for like my entire journey. That one most likely will have things like blog style of posts. I go out, I record very random things. I have a meeting with someone, and then just down the line. So that's the thoughts I'm considering starting next week. I'm considering touching up my website, my personal website. I mean, honestly, I scrap it up and make it as simple as possible. One picture, and that's all. A picture, then a text telling who I am, what I'm currently working on, my common project, and that's all. Because I'm beginning to like let simplicity be everything. So the website is coming out very soon. It is actually Stonoreye, and I think I should be sitting down there to actually write proper blog posts on my thoughts, my opinions. It's going to be more like a personal journal to me, and then a journal that I think people can read and learn. But it's going to be a personal journal. I may not promote it because it's going to be personal to me. That's on the other side. Today was for CrossFit at the gym. So like this guy who I train with, or rather who I train, joined me on my CrossFit class. I would say he wasn't expecting the kind of training that we did today. Just all sorts of training. Even my junior brother, who I have given like several training programs, know how intense that training was. And this guy could not keep up. But well, it was his first day. So I really should not judge him on that. Provided that he's committed and consistent. At some point, he will figure it out. So that was good for CrossFit. Came back. I ordered some things from AliExpress. I ordered a microphone cover because I would also be creating content with that microphone, and the pop filter is damaged. I got like a softbox cover for this light because this light is pretty aggressive on the eyes. And then I'm still experimenting with my setup. I want to make my shooting as simple as possible. I don't want to complicate anything. I want to move minimal objects around, just set my camera, set my lights, and we're good to go. Even some days, I might end up using the sun. Because simplicity should be a core value of everything I do. So, topics that I'll be synthesizing are spirituality, some very, very deep esoteric stuff. I'll be synthesizing tech, AI. I'll be synthesizing philosophy and some basic self-improvement tips. So, expect my content to like switch up on this channel, because on the other channel is going to be strictly my journey, a whole bunch of random things, bundling them up, expressing my thoughts, and like just having like gigabytes of random content just uploaded to the YouTube platform. So that set aside, is that I wish myself good luck in that. Let me see. So today, when it comes to like my own work, my own startup work, I also ended up finishing my investors pitch deck, because I had this program I applied for, where other startups can network with their founders rather, and then I submitted the application to this platform today. I finished the pitch deck today, submitted today. We're not open to raising funds yet, because the goal is to, first of all, prove our actual value in the marketplace. And after that, we can then look for what we can get done. So some interesting things happened today. And because I know most of my viewers on this channel don't get to this level. They don't get to this level, so I will say it now. And this is what happened. I had a meeting with someone today who tried to like sell me on his company from India, helping my own company to build or to manage the entire infrastructure. And then, so he doesn't know what I do. He has an idea of what I do. So he told me that he already has a company in Nigeria over here that he services. I asked for their name. He told me their name. I was very impressed, because that is one of my competitors. Now, my competitor has an advantage of him raising funds. But the advantage I have is I own the tech stack. He doesn't own the tech stack. So what that means is that there's a high chance it's more of a marketing firm than a tech firm. So he has people from India running his tech. Very soon, when they get expensive, he has done that choice. But for me as somebody who owns a tech stack, I plan to be in this game for 10 to 15 years, 20 years. Because I own the tech stack. I've invested a lot. Like I've said, the two major industries people should look at, forget AI, I'm serious, it's telecommunications and health. Those are the industries that are guaranteed to make more billionaires than AI. AI will make fancy billionaires. Healthcare and telecommunications are going to breathe billionaires, like sure billionaires. So what means is that there would always be a proven market for it. So with that being said, that's the major reason I really do not care about my competitor, because I don't really think we have the same vision. We have different paths. So, which is an idea I think I got from Steve Jobs, that we are heading somewhere with our customers, and then they chose to go on our journey. That is a completely different journey from who those guys are. So why should I see them as competitors? Why should I see them as people who are after my own customers? No, they can't take my customers. They can't. The same way I can't take theirs. Well, all I can do is be very good at what we do and make our customers super happy. Be customer centric, very customer focused. And that, my friend, is something that I took from Jeff Bezos. So I've been going around collecting principles, looking at how people actually use principles to win in life. And that's something that I think I'm super grateful for, that I began to understand this at this early stage. Because I saw a video by Sam Ovens, which made perfect sense, that you might learn skills, you might learn the best, highest income skills, But if you do not have the mindset, the identity, the principles, or the needs, the skills you learn, it's all trash. That's my problem with all these 10K per month goals. Is somebody gets to 10K per month and he's teaching you how to get to 10K per month, which is a good thing. But what you don't realize is he's getting to 10K a month has built a character in him, not just the money aspect. But he has scrapped out the character aspect and telling you to focus on the money, giving just the skill. Now, you have completely neglected the mindset. You've neglected the depth of character that goes into making money. And you basically think you can be successful that way. Not trying to be rude or ruin your parade, but I don't think so. You still need to build that depth of character. So that being said, like I said, I've forgotten the order, but basically it has to do more with identity, mindset, skills, opportunities. Opportunities are like very, very minute compared to like the principles and the identity and the mindset that these people need to have to get to that level. That's why I saw a video by Imad Gadi where he talked about people work for 18 months before they actually see their first $10,000 per month. But yet he's teaching people how to make $10,000 per month on their first month. Which I said yes, it's a very good thing, but people make money and then completely ignore the part of the depth of personality, the self-worth, what comes with the money. Because I was born into a privileged home and I saw the depth of character and personality my father had. So that's the major reason I'll say you should get rich at the same time, build depth of character, build a personality, have something going for you, have a vision you're working towards. And my dad used to have a saying that those who watch television do not have a vision. It was a cliche saying, but I later got his point is that when you're kind of like free and have nothing to do, there's just a very high chance that you get distracted in life. I think I'm already ranting and freestyling, but please forgive me because my videos from say tomorrow over the weekend will change. They'll be half scripted, well structured, well delivered. It's just my documentary that will be like kind of like shallow like this and whatnot. So thank you very much for tuning in. I really don't want to bore you beyond this. Bye for now. Talk to you soon.